As an independent clinical expert in endodontics, I get a chance to try some new files even before they hit the market. I got an opportunity to try this new ZenFlex CM file by Kerr Endodontics. This is a .04 taper file. This file is very efficient, very flexible, and very safe. So I had an opportunity to unpack this file. It comes in an assorted system, size 3004 all the way down to a size 1304. You say, why do I need a 1304? Well, you have these very calcified canal with very narrow apices, and they can really help you. So I wanted to test the strength of this file, so I used a plastic block and I ran it very hard in here, and there was no fracture in this file, and also the flutes cut very nicely. So I wanted to see how it holds up to the heat treatment and how flexible it is when we are using it in a file system and using it inside of a tooth. So here it is. This is a curvature. This is over a 90-degree curvature. This is like a 120-degree curvature, and I want to see how it performed inside of the canal system. So I added some heat to it, and look how beautifully this file straightens out. Very nice. So I'm confident to use in very complex cases like this, very narrow curved canals, very long roots. This is the final result. Look how curved those roots are, and look how narrow they are. We have the confidence in using that in this file system, and I'll talk more about this in my lecture coming up.